Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining the chorus and post-chorus of Strategy by Twice and Megan Thee Stallion. Also, don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. So if you're ready, let's get started. One and two and three, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So first we will be looking to the left slightly, okay, and we will be squatting, bending our knees, crossing our arms in front of our chest, and we will bend our head to the right. So this is the first count. We will continue by raising our left leg and bending our knee and hiding it behind our right leg. And we will release our hands, okay. On 2 and we will do circles with our arms. We put our hands into fists and circle outside, never inside, okay? And by doing these circles twice, we will step back first with the left leg and then the right leg. So this will be 2 and. So now we repeat from the beginning. 1 and 2 and. On 3, we will be placing our 2 hands at the back of our head. And we separate our 2 legs and squat a little bit like this and jump. So circle, circle, jump. So in the count of 3, we have to also move our hip, our left hip upwards. So left hip up, okay. Very good. So hands in the back and we move our hip. On 4, we will bring our hands to our left hip. So 3 and 4. So we separate our fingers and place them on our hips. And again, we move our left hip. So 3 and 4. So well done. We have already learned the first 4 counts, so let's repeat them. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. From there, we will take our hands that were on our hips and move them to the right, okay, twice, like 1 and 2. And we have to move them really fast, so it's 5 and, while our right leg is coming to the left, okay, is joining the left leg. So our right leg is outside and it comes inside. Then after that, we're going to move our face to the left. So we're going to be facing the left side. On 6, we will be repeating the move we did before. So we put our hands on our left hip. So it will be 5 and 6. On the count of 7, we'll be placing our left hand on our chest and the right hand down. Now we have to move our body outside, like as if we're coming out of somewhere. Okay, bend our left knee and our right leg have to be straight. We put all our weight in the left leg and roll our chest. So 7 and. So now let's repeat from the count of 4. So 4 and 5 and 6, 7. And on the count of 8, we have to put our hands into fists, okay, looking up and doing a circle from left to right. And while doing that, we have to raise our left leg up. So circle and up. So 7 and 8. Now let's repeat everything from the count of 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to place our hands on the side of our body and move them right, left, and right. It's just stretching our right arm, then our left, and then again our right. And then we move our body, mostly our shoulders, right, left, and right. And on the next move, we have to lean back. So doing the same move, but leaning back. Okay, so we lean front, then lean back. So we move our body to the front, then body to the back, and we put our hands down. So while leaning back, our left hand is down, but our right hand is lifted and pointing our head, doing a gun gesture. And on the count of 4, we will push our hand, okay, to the front. And we will stretch our hand, okay, the right hand from top to bottom. We'll push it to the front and face the left, okay. Our body will move to the left. So that's the count of 4. Okay, so let's repeat everything from the beginning. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. On 5, we're going to stretch our right hand outside, okay, like grabbing something with our hand. Then the same thing with our left hand. 5, 6, and on 7, we'll place our hands on our chest and we slide it down. So 5, 6, 7, we slide down, 8. Repeat from 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To start, we're going to place our hands on the side of our hips, looking to the front, okay? Stepping on our left, right, 8 times. And while stepping to the left, we'll move our hip to the left, and while stepping to the right, we'll move our hip to the right. So on the count of 1, we'll be stepping our left foot and moving our hip to the left, and stepping on our right foot and moving our hip to the right. So we do 1 and 2 and. As you can see, we have to start stepping to the front, but then moving our body slightly to the right. So every 2 steps, we'll be moving slightly to the right. So the first 2 steps to the front, and then we'll be moving to the right until we are fully facing the right. And on the count of 3, we have to lift our head up while stepping on our right foot. So 1 and 2 and 3, we lift our head. So 3 and 4 and 5. We place our 2 hands on our forehead while fully looking to the right side, and we step on our left foot. We slightly bend down and squat and put our hand on our chin. Our 2 hands on our chin and squat. Lift our head up. And that is the count of 6. Repeat from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6, then we just turn. So from 6, we turn from the right, okay, turn back and look to the front. We pose, we point our right foot, okay, bring out our right foot, and our head, we turn right, left, okay, so we lift it right, left. We turn, pose, lift, right and left. After that is 4, 5, and. So for this part, we have to take our 2 hands, okay, face them upwards and go down. Take them down and then up. When they're up, we put them into fists at the side of our chest. We cross them, so it's down, up, cross, and release. After releasing them, we have to place them on our chest, okay, looking down, then slide. On 8, we circle our hips, okay, I'm placing our hands on our hips. So we're just circling from right to left. While doing that, we place our hands on the side of our hips. So this is 7 and 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're done with the chorus. Let's repeat from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To start, we have to place our right hand on our right hip and our left hand have to be stretched, linking our fingers. Left hand up and right hand on our hip. And now we have to step with our foot, so it's right, left, 4 times. So the first two counts are 1 and 2. On 3 and 4, our left arm goes down and our head bends to the right. So we drastically bend our head while having the right hand on the same position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, we have to separate our legs and place our hands on our hips while we push our chest in and out 4 times. And while doing that, we have to squat and bend our knees and move from right to left. 5, 6, while looking to the left. 7 and 8, looking to the right. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we will raise our right leg and we have to kick to the left. So our body is facing the left side and we have to use our right leg to kick. On 2, we'll be facing the right. So our leg, that is still the right leg, will turn and will make us face the right side. Don't forget our hands are down and we kick and we go right side. If you notice the left leg never moves, it's always the right leg. Let's go from the count of 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, drop. While still looking to the right, we will take our left leg and we will raise it up and we'll take our 2 hands and push it down. And when we take them down, our face goes up. So we lift our face up. On 5 and 6, we place our hands on our hips and we will use our right leg to do a circle. This circle goes from left to right, up and down. Now count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.